Mental health support for students is a growing priority and concern for schools across the country.
Yeah, but unfortunately, many districts are struggling to provide the support needed for students. Our Candace Monticelli looked into this issue and how assistance from the state could actually make a big difference. Good morning, Candace.
Good morning, ladies. Yeah, school counselors can play a major part in helping kids get the help they need, whether it's involving mental health or preparing for their future. I sat down with the superintendent of Sparta area schools to learn more about the need we're seeing across the country.
School counselors in our district are invaluable.
An invaluable resource for Sparta area schools, as these counselors provide students with skills to manage their emotions, achieve their career aspirations, and provide educational support for all different levels of needs.
It varies by building, so roughly it's 1 to 480. So we have 5 altogether in the district, 1 at the K2 building, 1 at the 3-5, 1 at the 6-8, and 2 at the 9-12. So collectively together are 2,400 kids divided by 5, 480 kids per one counselor.
A large number of students for one counselor, as the school does their best to make the mental health crisis a team effort with teachers and families.
The fear is, for me, from my perspective, is the emotional needs of our students are only getting bigger, stronger, more relevant and more prevalent. But the financial supports for that, although they're doing their best, I believe, I don't feel like we're keeping pace.
A challenging task to keep pace, as the American School Counselor Association recommends a ratio of 1 counselor per every 250 students. That's far off from the actual national average from the 2021-2022 school year, 1 counselor for every 408 students.
Our goal should be to get 9 to 10 counselors in the district. But we're having this internal struggle around how do you balance the fiscal responsibilities that we're asked to, meeting the varied needs of our students. And in post-COVID, it feels there's more varied needs.
Sparta area schools would need an extra $400,000 to $600,000 budget to get to that desired number of counselors on staff. Money that's hard to find. Governor Whitmer's 2024 budget aims to provide some more support. According to the Department of Education, $310 million will be divided among public schools across the state on a per-student basis.
So it's $9,600 roughly per student. That goes into our, it's a general fund account. There's also categoricals. A lot of the 31A, we use at risk. We get roughly $1 million a year from 31A at risk, and it fluctuates based on a variety of metrics.
For Sparta, this money goes towards hiring more social workers and school psychologists, plus partnering with agencies such as Family Outreach Center and Kent School Service Network. These coordinating programs help aid the counselors even more to provide not only the students, but the families with overall care.
We feel very fortunate the state has invested as much as they have in the last 5 years, but just like everything else, it never really feels like enough because the needs continue to multiply.
And at the end of the day, it's the teamwork from the state funding, school counselors, agency coordinators, teachers, and families to help combat the mental health crisis in our schools. For now, in the control room, I'm Candace Monticelli, Fox 17 News.